bedrooms, fully updated and priced to make you act fast. Let me show you why this one stands out. Walk in and it just feels fresh. Wood tile throughout the entire downstairs and an open floor plan that just flows. This kitchen has beautiful natural light, granite countertops, dark cabinetry, and tons of storage space. I love the wood laminate flooring throughout the entire second level. The details are done right. Thanks for joining me on this tour. I'm Lani Belcher with eXp Realty. Contact me for your own private tour.